Hello, people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I'm your dietitian. Here, I have come up with another summer special recipe here, and that's about yummy, tasty, and healthy salad. That's green moong curd salad. This is specially for summer, and it's right here. So, watch the video and know more about it. The ingredients required for this recipe are half cup green moong, half cup curd, spices like chaat masala, mirchi powder, or pepper powder, and vegetables of your own choice. I have taken here onions, tomato, and cucumber. Now, let's get into the method. Firstly, take a bowl. Add green moong to it. Add your favorite vegetables. Now, add curd. Add salt, mirchi powder, chaat masala. Mix it well and serve it chill. If you want, you can even garnish with some coriander leaves. This recipe is rich in protein, fiber, and it helps in managing the cholesterol, sugar levels, and sustain the cardiac health too. Diabetics can also enjoy the small portion of this, and this recipe promotes weight loss, gives power of B complex vitamins too. Isn't it interesting? So try it and enjoy the benefits and leave your experience in the comment section below. If you are liking my summer special videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apurva Dietitian in YouTube. Bye bye. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye bye.